afternoon, everybody. I am back. This is Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting. I have some unboxing, whatever you want to call it. It is from EM Fun Store. One is a painting for me, and the other is a mystery painting for my mystery swap partner. So we will not be looking at the whole thing, but I will be sharing with you how I am prepping it for my swap partner. So this video is going to go up after she receives it, so as not to spoil her fun surprise. So I'm going to get both of these out of their tubes. As usual, I cut the package open beforehand just to save some time. Okay, so next one. Oh, look at that. We got some alright. Orange tape baggies. This one is not as heavily, that one wasn't as hard to get out. This one has intact caps as well. Not going to show you the code just in case she tries to look it up. And not going to show you the thumbnail either. We do have 44 colors in this one. We're going to hide that inventory sheet, and I'm going to make my my own inventory sheet. Alright, so here comes the fun part. I have got this cute little Scotty duct tape, which I am going to use to cover up the thumbnail. And I'm going to do that before we get any further, because I don't want to inadvertently show anybody what the painting is. Alrighty, all covered. Okay. Alright, let's get these out of here. I was wrong, my cat went to sleep in his basket. Alright, and this is also going to come in handy with the prep, because I've seen people putting tape down so that you can't see through the cover paper, and I'm going to do that as well, just because I think it's kind of a cool idea, and also, you know, it looks cute. So we're going to just look at the back, because again, I'm not going to do any, we're not going to look at the canvas, we're not going to release the tension, because I need to roll this back up, and I found that if you have to roll it back up after you do that, it'll cause bubbles. So this, I'm so glad this wasn't the one that was dented, because this looks perfect. You know, a couple little being rolled up wrinkles, but nothing concerning. So I think we are good to go on this. Alright, so alright, and now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for the prep. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take the duct tape and just sort of stagger it. One stripe here, one stripe here, one stripe here, all the way down. And the reason I'm not going lengthwise is because I don't want to do anything to tighten it up and make it harder to roll. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna, and I've seen some people that get like real fancy and try to be real exact with it, And I'm not going to do that because I don't think that you need to be. The cover paper is going to come off anyway. And, you know, it's just something cute to kind of like make it just that little bit more exciting rather than you know, drab. And not to say that it's drab if you don't do this. I don't want to like make anyone who doesn't feel up to doing this, or if someone had like an out of the country buddy and just had this their painting sent direct to them, like that's totally fine. That's, you're not any like less cool. I just thought it'd be fun to do this because I saw, you know, different people doing like tape designs and stuff on theirs. And plus, like, you can, it's not as bad as like parchment paper, but you can like a little bit see through it. So all right, we're getting towards the end, guys. And then after I finish doing this, I'm going to roll it back up and put it in the tube. And then I'll stick the kit back in the tube. And then we're going to do inventory after I fold over the picture out of sight of the camera. Or on camera, whatever. I can always edit that out. It's not a big deal. Then we'll do inventory, and I can speed that part up for you guys, so you won't have to watch me like blah 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 do inventory. And plus, like, honestly, ugh, I hate doing inventory on Evermoment because they have all the different size bags and they don't put them all in the same spot. Anyway, I think I'm really happy with how this is turning out. It's going to look so cute. And also now finally I have a use for this duct tape, because I bought this because I thought, wow, that's really cute duct tape, and then I didn't do anything with it. But yeah, this is my first swap. I don't know, I think they've only been doing it for a few months. But they do like a monthly swap. And I think some people do them every month. And I don't think I'm going to do it every month because I would feel obligated to do my painting like right away. And I do feel obligated to do my painting right away. And I don't want to just be doing, you know, mystery paintings all the time, because that's really what it would come down to, is I would just be doing mystery paintings. Okay, so just real quick and dirty, covered up that, but we still have the nice key, and then it's plenty sticky. I just pulled up a little corner. That was it. And the nice thing about the pattern duct tape too is, like regular duct tape, you might be able to kind of see through it, but you really can't. You know what, I'm going to put a piece on the back too though, because if you look through the back you can kind of see. so let's roll this back up. Back in the tube, and now I just grab a pen, and now we'll do inventory. So I'm going to speed this part up, but when I get back I will have done all the inventory. It cut off at some point, but I finished inventory and it is indeed everything is there. So we are gonna see if we can stuff these back in the tube here. Nope, I'm gonna have to repack those a little bit, but I'm gonna take this downstairs and make a new inventory sheet for my buddy. And yeah, that was thankfully wonderful. And of course, there's always plenty of extras. I mean, I didn't put plus how many, but like seriously, there would be ones where, you know, I had 1,200 needed, and they would give me 2 of the bags that have at least 800 in them. So yeah, definitely made sure I had plenty. So thank you for watching. Hi again, folks. It is Bronwyn once more with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I am here once again with Polyglot, who is very interested in what is in this Ever Moment tube, which I have already taken out of the packaging because there was some stuff going on and I was busy. And he is very, very sheddy, so excuse his fur all over the place. This is the Ever Moment that I got for my swap, my mystery swap. So I won't be doing a full pull back the paper look at it, but we are gonna look at what we've got here. Alright, let's see. Empty tube. Got nice intact tube. My partner very kindly, and we both, I'm hoping, I haven't mailed mine yet to her because I stupidly did not cut the wrapping in such a way that I could send it to her, and I should have thought of that. She smartly did keep her wrapping from Evermoment. I didn't, so I had to locate the bubble wrap, and I'm rewrapping that tonight. So let's take a look. So this is, I believe it's going to have a size on it here somewhere. Okay, so an extra tape. So we've got the green Evermoment tape, the normal Evermoment kit with those lovely pointy tweezers, Evermoment bags, my favorite, and one more pack O drills. She has done the inventory for me, so I know it's all there. No inventory sheet with it because, of course, it is a mystery, and she's covered up the thing for me. So we are, oh, there goes the cat. I'm just going to take a quick look at the canvas. I am sure this is fine because it's Evermoment, and when is it ever not? Okay, it's occasionally not fine, but okay, so let me get the actual size because I think the size might be, okay, so it is 50 by 70, which is exactly the same size as the one that I got her. So I have no idea what this is. I know that we both talked about, we both paired up in the landscape group, so I'm expecting that it's some kind of landscape. Maybe a sunset of some sort based on these colors, but maybe like a foresty one. I mean, we're gonna find out. I unfortunately won't be able to start this right away because I do have that project for the LGBT center that I'm going to be doing, and I have, is that the only, I can't remember if I have another one that I have to do, but I'm still working on a project that I'm, like I'm working on the Narwhal Mermaid right now, so it's going to be, I'll probably finish that this weekend and start on the parrots for the LGBT center. So maybe after I finish the parrots, I can get to this. But I'm really excited to do it, and I think I am going to do that thing that I saw Rachel Ray talk about, where she cuts a slit in the tube and pulls it out that way. And I am going to try to do some whip and chats of that, so y'all can see the progress as it goes. And I don't know if Evermoment included 2 of these, or if my partner Tracy sent me an extra one, but if you sent me an extra one, I love you. And that is about it. Like, this one was a really short one. I might actually just like pop it on the end of my unboxing of the one that I'm sending her and the prep of it. But that is about it, folks. Thank you so much for watching my video, and you know the spiel. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Just do a little thumbs up. Thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, just subscribe. And if you want to get notified when I upload new videos, then hit the bell after you subscribe. And please, please, please leave a comment, because tell me, are you doing a mystery swap? What has your experience been? Are you excited to do one? Because I'm super excited. And, you know, I did pick to be in the Evermoment group because I like to do squares, and I just like to know, like, what kind of quality I'm getting. So I would rather just spend a little more to get a little, to make sure that like I'm going to get something good and my partner's going to get something good. And, you know, just know that we're both not going to, like, that I'm not going to buy something from someplace and have it turn out bad. You know I can rely on every moment. So, anywho, now it's really the end of the video. So you all have a wonderful night. Bye.